Good morning students, welcome back to St. Michael's e-learning. Myself Ranjan Verma, and today we are going to discuss class 10th Information Technology Unit 2 and Session 2 which is entitled Networking Fundamentals. Unit 2 Web Application Basic. So what is networking? Networking means a group of two or more computers. A group of two or more computers are connected to each other for sharing data and resources. This is the basic definition of the networking. Networking means a group of two or more computers are connected to each other for sharing data and resources. Here the concept data means one computer can be connected to the another computer for sharing the data. Suppose computer A have some data and computer B want to access, so these are easily accessed. Resources means suppose one main computer is connected to different computers and only one printer. So printer is a resources which is connected by all computers. So these are the concept of networking. In class 8 you have learned about the concept of networking. Now come to the next topic, which is advantages of the networking. What are the basic advantages of the networking? The first benefit is sharing the hardware resources. In previous figure you have seen that one printer can be shared by the four different computers. So these are the concept of the sharing of the hardware. Second is sharing of software. Sharing of software means computer A has a particular type of software and computer B and computer C can use that software which is not installed in computer B. Third one, the main benefit is cost effective. So these are the advantages, and here some disadvantages of the disadvantages. First disadvantages is initial cost. स्टार्टिंग में आपको ज़्यादा जो है प्राइस यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड इज सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम, and third one is the virus problem. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the networking concept. So this is the basically basic things you have already learned about in the class 8. So next topic is how many types of networking. There are three types: LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN basically used for a small purpose, a small building. It can cover the area is up to range is equal to maximum 10 kilometers, and numbers of computers are connected is very small. Small types of organizations uses maximum 50 computers. Suppose 50 computers are connected to each other. So these are the basic concept of the LAN. LAN is used for the small building, a small organization. Range is equal to 10 kilometer and small types of maximum 50 computers. as compare as the main metropolitan area network, and it consists of the wider range as the compare of as compare as the LAN. So range is equal to 2 to 100 kilometers and more than LAN. A small building, one or two buildings is connect to the 1 and 2 building. And third one is wide area network. Wide area network as we use cellular data, मोबाइल फ़ोन से जो नेटवर्क यूज़ करते हैं वो कॉन्सेप्ट जो है आपका वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क में जाता है, जिसमें इसमें बेसिकली सिटीज़ को कवर करेगा और इसमें कंट्री को कवर करेगा. एंड रेंज जो है मोर देन 1000 kilometers. So these are the basically. In next video we will discuss about the how many types of networking components. Thank you.